back to my channel. So today, I know what you're thinking, like what is going on here? I'm in my comfy cozy Christmas pajamas and I already have my makeup on, and then you're probably like, what's going on? So today I kind of have just like a random video. I'm hoping that I can keep it kind of short. I wanted to go over some of my most asked questions, I guess you could say. It's not a lot by any means, just a couple that I don't know, I guess I want to have a video that I can kind of reference to. Also, I will be having giveaways in this video, so if you're new around here, welcome. My name is Jackie. This is not my normal intro or video, but welcome. If you like the vibe, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, or as often as you like to be reminded about my videos. My videos are here for whenever you guys want to come back and watch them, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so that was probably such an awkward intro. I just don't know how to title this video, what to call this video, how to even start the video. Like, I'm not even sure, honestly. This is probably the most random video, but basically I wanted to make a video because I wanted to come on here. You guys know that I love and respect you guys and I appreciate you guys so much, and so I just didn't want to go like MIA for the rest of the year. I wanted to let you guys know that this is more than likely going to be the last video you guys see from me this year. Honestly, I'm just taking some time to myself. I know that I was gone for a month, but if you follow me on Instagram, you know it wasn't like vacation or anything like that. We're not going anywhere. COVID, I don't think we're going anywhere because we're terrified. But mainly just honestly not having to even think about anything, like just chilling. Basically that's it. And so I just wanted to come and let you guys know and not just go MIA. That is first and foremost what I wanted to say. Also, you guys, I have commonly asked questions and I just kind of wanted to answer some of them for you guys. I don't get like tons of questions. I'm not on here like no, it's not like that, but I do get some questions asked multiple times, like sometimes even by the same people. I appreciate you guys and I'm here to answer anything that I can. But you know, sometimes some of this stuff is repetitive, but it's okay, it's fine. I just wanted to have a video where I can kind of answer those for you guys. So probably my top asked question is, what are my favorite foundations, or what is my foundation shade? Probably what is my foundation shade in my favorite foundations. And I do have a list of them in the description of my videos now, probably going back like 4, maybe 5 videos. I have a list now of all my favorite foundations, so those will be listed down there in every single video. That way you guys can always come back and reference them, or you don't have to scroll down through all my videos. You can just click on one, hopefully it's like a newer one, and it'll have the list on there. My top favorite foundation of the moment is actually Rare Beauty foundation, which is this one right here, and it's in the shade 310W. But honestly, you guys, I also really love the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1. I'm in the shade 07 Sand. Those are like my top. But yeah guys, so those are listed down in the description. There's actually like 4 or 5 down there, but those are like my top 2 favorites, and I kind of just listed them and I realized that I didn't list them by like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, but that's because I honestly alternate in between all of them. These are just like my 2 favorite currently, you know. Another commonly asked question is, what's on my lips? What lip liner am I wearing? What's my favorite nude combo? Those kind of questions. And honestly, you guys, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to go get that lip liner and Dulce lip liner, darker shade, go get that lip liner around my lips, and then I just fill it in with the Dulce lip liner, and then I just use a brush to help it like ombre and blend. That is my favorite nude lip combo. Again, 9 times out of 10, that is what I'm wearing. If I want to throw a gloss over it, 9 times out of 10, it's the Lunar Beauty Dreamy Gloss. You guys already know, but most of the time I just like to do these 2 if I'm doing like a nude lip, and then if I want to go glossy, it's literally just the gloss. Okay guys, my next question is like my earrings slash jewelry. It is not that dramatic, you guys. I mainly don't change my jewelry a lot. Actually, I just don't. Honestly, there's not a reason, but for you guys here on YouTube or in pictures and stuff like that, I will try sometimes. And like when I did my Pride look, I had those love earrings on. If I have a picture, I'll put it up here. Those and a lot of like little kind of earrings I actually get at the So Cute jewelry or something like that. It's like $5 jewelry. I will try to remember to link her down below. She has a ton of cute stuff. Well, to be honest, I've only been on the website like twice, and both times I just bought a bunch. So I really don't go and like order constantly. Other than that, any rings that you might see me kind of like, you know, switch up here on my right hand, midi rings, stuff like that. I either get them from Torrid or random places. That's the truth. I think I got a couple off of Amazon, but that's it. I don't really have like a specific place for it. Again, I don't really like to switch my jewelry a lot. I actually had the same like bracelet, earrings, and necklace on for years up until I started YouTube, because that's just, I don't know, that's just who I am. And the last little question that I got, I actually haven't gotten this question like a lot like the rest of them, but I have gotten this question more recently a few times, and I just think it's funny because I actually feel really bad that my hair is always like up in a bun. I'm just not the one to have it down often. When I have it down here with you guys or in a picture, trust and believe it's for the video, for the picture, and then my hair just went back up. Anyway, the question is, am I wearing a donut or how do I do my bun? No, I'm not wearing a donut, and honestly I just pull it up in a ponytail and then I wrap the hair around, stick a couple bobby pins if I need it, and that's it. Like, that's what I do. I wish there was like some magical explanation, but there isn't, you guys. So getting into these giveaways, I kind of just brought stuff and then literally like separated it out and tried to make sure it was just kind of like a little balance. So let's see what it is that I grabbed. So starting giveaway number 1, we have this Jekka Black. This is a liquid corrector. This one specifically says for the under eye. I'm not sure if you could use it anywhere else, to be honest. It is the peachy toned one, which helps with blocking out the darkness from under your eye. So you would just pat some of this lightly and then conceal your eye regularly, and it should help brighten the under eye and not make it look so dark. Okay, you guys, up next we have some lip products. We have this Tarte Holiday Gloss. It is like a champagne-y gold shade. And then we also have this Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Vivid Vixen, and it is like a deep, dark, almost like a reddish brown. It is such a gorgeous color. I have these ones and I have one more lip product. Up next we have a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This one is in the shade Crucifix, so it is a nice dark brown. So that is also in giveaway number 1. Okay, up next we have this Tula Skincare. This is a eye balm. It's for the under eye. Basically it just helps to bring a little bit of glow and moisture and brighten under the eye, so your makeup lays even better. Up next we have this Avent Daily Moisturizer. It has the instructions in the back. I actually did try this one time. It is not heavy, it is really light, but I didn't continue to use it, so I can't even say anything else about it. But this is also in giveaway number 1. Okay guys, I turned on the lights just a little bit. In giveaway 1, we also have this Morphe Artistry Palette. This is a 3502. If we open it up here, you can see there is a lot of neutrally warm shades. Now I will say, even though all the shades do have some warmth, on this side I would say it is like warm, cool tone, kind of neutral-esque, if you will. And then on this side it is very warm. You have a little bit of bright color, a little bit of depth, and it does have a lot of mattes, but it does include some shimmers. Okay, so starting giveaway number 2, I still have the lights toned down here, so that's why I look funny back here. But this is the Sunday Riley Retinol Serum, the A+ Retinol Serum. Basically, you put this on in the evenings and it helps with your dry skin, it helps with wrinkles, helps keep your skin clear. So this is the start of giveaway number 2. Continuing on to giveaway number 2, we have a Purple Urkel Liquid Lip by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It is this purpley shade here. If you guys are like me, I don't really wear purple lipstick, but I have used these before as eyeliner, and I know that colorful eyeliner is totally in right now, so just a thought. But if you like wearing purple lipstick, there you go. And we also have this Makeup Geek Iconic Lipstick. This is in the shade Saucy. It is kind of like a deep coral red shade, but these are nice and moisturizing, and I actually really do like these. Up next, we have these Fully Fire Expensive Habit lipsticks. This does come with 3 lipstick shades. I'm not going to open them up for you guys, but back here you can see some of the swatches of the lipsticks. It is basically reds in a lighter form and in a little bit of a deeper form, but not just like red. Continuing on with giveaway number 2, we have this Pure Festival 2.0 palette. You guys, first of all, packaging. How pretty is this box? I absolutely love it. But also the inside of the palette, you guys, the lights are toned down. There is so much pretty here. You have depth and brightness. Like, I don't know, just not your typical palette, but also can create many looks with. I actually wanted to keep this for myself. Sorry you guys, my camera's having a hard time focusing on this one, but this is the Grown Alchemist Night Cream. This one is full of vitamins, hyaluronic acid, a bunch of good stuff that's going to help give your skin the nutrient it needs, help reduce wrinkles, help prevent them, things like that. So this one is also in giveaway number 2. So that is everything in the giveaways. I hope that you guys are excited. I do have a drawer full of samples and I need to like start emptying that drawer out. So I will try to remember to stick some of those samples in these giveaways. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me over there. I should be having another giveaway over there. I'm hoping I can sneak in 2. I'm not exactly sure, but follow me. I will leave my Instagrams here. Also, I think they're listed down below and like linked somewhere, either on my page, on my YouTube channel, or in the description. So to enter these giveaways, it is very easy. You must be subscribed to my channel and then leave me any video ideas you have down below. I do nail videos here and there randomly. It is not the same as like the makeup videos at all. If you haven't checked them out, please do. I would appreciate it. But if there's something specifically you want to see from the nails or makeup or challenges, let me know in the comments down below. Also, the giveaway is open to the US only, and the winners will have 24 hours to reach back out to me. If I don't hear from you in 24 hours, I will be picking another winner. So you guys, if you enter the giveaway, make sure that you're paying attention. I usually post it on Instagram in my stories, who won and all that stuff. So, you know, just keep an eye on that because I may be reaching out to you if I don't hear from somebody in 24 hours. All my winners are picked at random, so please don't message me asking if you can win. Everybody gets a fair shot. Everybody gets their name put on a wheel and the wheel decides. That is literally where I pick my winners. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it from me. Thank you so much for being here today, for being patient with me. I hope this video was not too long. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays. If you don't celebrate anything, I hope you're enjoying your time with your family. Happy New Year, you guys. And I just want to thank you guys so much, and I'm gonna cry, so I'm gonna just go ahead and let you guys go, and I will see you guys in my next one. Adios.